you mentioned working on different topics or projects in the Harare area. So, we're seeing a lot of emerging technologies and trends that are coming up. For example, artificial intelligence and other interesting and vital factors are being addressed. For example, climate change and sustainability in the way that we work. So just to combine all of these things, we have artificial intelligence, we have the Internet of Things, and we also have the climate change aspect and sustainability. So how do you think, how is your industry addressing, and what role, how are you implementing these new technologies?
Okay, so I would like to put it into sections.
Okay.
First of all, is AI. I don't know if you follow my LinkedIn post. I spoke about AI.
Okay.
I think we've got the wrong idea about AI.
Okay.
AI is there to make life easy and not think for you. So if I have a business plan, I have whatever I have to write something from what I'm thinking about, and then give it to AI. When AI gets everything, now tells you this should be there, this should be there, this should be there. But the original idea is missing. It's yours. So AI first is there to assist and make life easy.
Okay.
We, when we were young, we had spelling mistakes, grammar, and all that. That's why AI is there. And then also, in my field, we deal with a lot of figures.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not accounting, but calculations. You want to design something, the conditions you need to meet, whether it's a calculation for the whole building was for one part. So simulation and figures and everything, it's the new world. I can't be going through each and every beam, each and every brick, each and every grade of cement. I need to have a draft. Okay, ChatGPT, okay, DeepSeek. I have this, I need this. That's why AI is there. So enough about AI, sustainability. It's one of the things that I'm more interested in.
Okay.
I've recently taken on advocacy for sustainable construction.
Okay.
What the thing is we want to construct, starting from material, we want something renewable, sustainable material. I've seen people doing concrete without much stone, because there's less stone, nobody's making more stone. People are replacing stone and people saying fibers, and one of the countries leading in that is China.
Okay.
The Asian market is huge on sustainable construction.
Okay.
It's something that I've recently taken interest in, and a while ago I was recognized by Washington Digital University for contributing in sustainable construction. So it's one of the things that I take part in. I have projects that I'm in. It's more conventional, I don't know, but the more you and I try, we're going to have a world where we have so many structures, we have big infrastructure, but it's from a quarter of what we used to use before. We are not living the world for our children, but we are borrowing it from them.
All right, that's a great answer. And something to take away, I didn't know that engineering involves a lot of sums and figures that you have to work with, so for any aspiring engineers, take note of that. And it's very interesting thinking of the different evolutions that we're experiencing at this time. It's all happening so fast. And I like that you have a positive mindset towards that. You are pro AI and you are pro sustainability, and you are just highlighting to us how we should embrace. So that's a very, very great take. So you also mentioned that you've taken up managerial roles. How and what leadership, like what leadership lessons have you gained from managing large-scale engineering projects? Because from my lead to lead experience, people are hard to manage because everyone has their own ideas. There's the issue of pride. Everyone wants to be that person. So maybe you would help us a lot on how you manage people.
Okay, so as I told you before, I was employed when I was young.
Okay.
For a Chinese company. In my first year, I was doing something. I had a team of about 10 people. We had a specific task we were given each and every day. So what we were doing with the foundations for those large steel structures. I think you've seen it for power lines and stuff. With the 10 people I got in the first year, one of the key lessons I learned was you can't lead people if they don't trust you.
They don't trust you. Okay.
When I say they don't trust you, I'm talking about your ability to do what you're telling them to do.
Come again?
Your ability to do what you are telling them to do. I can't come here and tell you that you're not writing well if I myself cannot write well. You get what I'm saying? So from the time that I started to the time that I ended, the one thing I put first was trust. If we were doing survey, we were doing survey for this area, I used to go myself. First do it, let them see how to do it, and then they follow. We've got leadership confused.
Okay.
It's not always being in front, being behind, telling people what to do. You lead from the front, and people have a tendency of, believing in a leader who can act. I've faced the challenge of ageism and whatever I've done. I've been a student all my life. I'm still a student. People who I got, they were there when I got there. But the time I went away, they still went. So if you cannot learn from your subordinates, you can't be good. I've heard people say micromanagement is killing careers, it's doing this, it's doing that. To a certain extent, I think it's wrong.
Okay.
If you can come and ask someone, how far are you with that thing? It means you know how to do it. And if a team member doesn't perform, you need to micromanage. Micromanaging is not shouting at someone. Micromanaging involves offloading knowledge on a person. I come to you every time. You can't write well. I come to you every time. Maybe you need a better pen. Right? Maybe the piece of paper you need is not okay for you. That's part of micromanaging. Providing guidance, assistance, resources. It's not only asking how far are you, why are you not doing this? No. So if you can micromanage someone to a point that they understand, there is a certain phenomenon that I've learned about. If you give time to something, if you go away sometimes, it will still be understood. Why? Because you put effort, dedication, and teaching someone in wanting them to know what they should do. So generally, yes.
Okay. So leading by example, where people respect people who are able to deliver. Yeah. Okay. That's very good. Okay. So